Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Vivienne. I am the business software coach. So in today's video, we are going to share about forecast inventory for lean. And it is also known as demand planning. It is the practice of using past data, trend and known upcoming events to predict needed inventory level for the future period. Okay, let's begin. One of the most common misconceptions of using lean strategy is that you no longer have to forecast customer demand. Forecasting means you are trying to predict some future situations or events. In this case, you forecast to estimate customer demand for your products. But lean is a just-in-time system. A just-in-time system means that material moves through the organization only when needed by the next step. That need is activated by specific customer's order. So, in a sense, the order is pulling material through the system until the final product is delivered to the customer. So, it makes sense that you no longer need to forecast. You know what to make because the actual order defines your customer's demand. Dell computer, for example, they use a just-in-time pull system. Dell does not make a computer until you place your customized order. Just like a restaurant does not make your dinner until you order the meal. Once you place your order with Dell, they assemble and ship your computer within a matter of time. In fact, fast delivery is part of their competitive strategy. But that does not mean Dell doesn't forecast. What about all the components and sub-assembly that go into making a computer? These all come from Dell suppliers, and it takes time for each of those suppliers to produce their parts of your computer. Dell can't complete your order in few days if they must wait for each component to be produced and shipped from other suppliers. It would be simply take too long. So even though Dell has taken this as make-to-order strategy, they still have to forecast their needs for the part and place order with their suppliers in a timely manner. And this forecast is based on Dell estimations of customer demand for their computer. So, even in a lean business environment using just-in-time pull system and make-to-order strategy, you must forecast, which means you have inventory, which means you must manage that inventory as efficiently as possible. Like many companies that specialize in fast delivery time, Dell speed up the ordering process by asking their key supplier to manage those inventory for them. By giving supplier visibilities into customers' order and current inventory level, Dell allowed them to determine when and how components should be replenished. Parts are shipped to Dell only as they are needed, and inventory are kept very low. The vendor manages their inventory, and Dell in turn manages the performance of the vendor. But this replenishment system still requires some estimate of how many computers Dell will sell this month, this quarter, and this year. And that's a forecast of the number and type of parts, components, and sub-assembly that will be needed to meet customer demand for the final products. Do you work in a make-to-order company? How is forecasting done for your product and materials? Do you use vendor to manage key inventory level, or do you do it yourself? These are the key questions to answer so that you understand how forecasting impacts your lean strategy. That's all for my sharing in today's video. Once again, my name is Vivienne. I am the business software coach. I am not only teaching the theory, I'm also building the software to meet the real business operations. Please subscribe to my channels and hit the notifications bell. Every week, I will record a weekly video like this to share with you guys. And I see you in my next video.